Excreta. It is the human waste composed of urine and feces, or it's the waste matter discharged from our body, especially the feces and urine. Human excreta is a source of infection, and it is an important cause of environmental pollution. Every society has a responsibility for its safe removal and disposal so that it does not constitute a threat to public health. Or ang bawat lipunan ay may pananagutan para sa ligtas ng pagtanggal at pagtatapon nito upang hindi ito maging banta sa kalusugan ng publiko. Domestic sewage. It is the wastewater composed of untreated human waste coming from residential and commercial sources, or also known as black water. Is the liquid waste which originates in the sanitary convenience. Or it can be used water from houses and apartments, mostly coming from the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry sources. Things like dishwashing, the garbage disposal, and of course bath and showers are included in the mix. Wastewater. Wastewater composed of raw liquid and solid waste coming from residential and commercial uses. So what does wastewater mean? Wastewater can be defined as water that has lost its potential to be used for domestic or industrial use. The contaminated water may contain waste products, detergents, cleaning agents from homes and office, or harmful chemicals if discharged from industries. Such water is collected from lateral sewers, connecting drains from homes, office, and industries to branch sewers that convey the water to main sewers and other sewage treatment facilities where the water is treated and appropriately disposed of. Sanitation programs. Objective: to promote hygienic and proper management of human excreta and domestic wastewater. Poor human waste management and sanitation lead to significant health and environmental impacts. The various of these diseases can arise from these practices, particularly bacterial and parasitic infections. Hence, this sanitation program aims to promote hygienic and proper management of human excreta and domestic wastewater. This was mandated under PD 856, or the Sanitation Code of the Philippines, along with its implementing rules and regulations. So this program or activities provides accessible facilities along with improved policies that reinforce proper human waste management and sanitation. Program or activities. Setting national policy on sanitation. Zero open defecation program. PACE approach to sustainable sanitation. On-site sanitation and septage management program, and lastly, advocacy activities, example, national search for barangays with best sanitation practices and most LGUs with environmental health services. Interagency. So, what do you mean by interagency? So, this is the process of agencies and families joining together for the purpose of interdependent problem solving that focuses on improving services to children and families. So this kind of interagency collaborations engages all child and family serving agencies from the public, private, and faith-based sectors. For example, include the child welfare, juvenile justice, mental health, education, substance abuse, or the agency responsible for serving Native American families. So, muna sila ang under sa interagency. The Interagency Committee on Environmental Health, Non-Governmental Organization, Department of Social Welfare and Development, Local Government Unit, International Non-Governmental Organizations, the United Nations Children's Fund, Asian Development Bank, and lastly is the U.S. Agency for International Development. Interagency, the Health Facility Development Bureau, Health Emergency Management Bureau, Bureau of Local Health Development, Health Promotion and Communication Services, Health Human Resource Development Bureau, and lastly is Bureau of International Health Cooperation. Scope of supervision of the Department of Health. 1. Construction of any approved type of toilet. 2. Plans of individual sewage disposal system and the subsurface absorption system and other treatment devices. 3. Location of any toilet or sewage disposal system in relation to a source of water. 4. plans, designs, data, and specification of a new or existing sewerage system or sewage treatment plant. 5. The discharge of untreated influent of septic tanks and or sewage treatment plant to the bodies of water. 6. Manufacture of septic tanks. 7. Method of disposal of sludge from septic tanks or other treatment plants. Approve excreta disposal facilities. Flush toilets, properly connected to a community sewer, connected to a septic tank constructed in accordance with PDH 56 Chapter 17. Any approved type pit privy, and any disposal device approved by the Secretary or his duly authorized representative.
Septic tanks.
Minimum requirements of septic tank. Rectangular in shape, the first compartment shall have the capacity from 2/3 of total volume of the tank. Built of concrete. Shall not be constructed under any building and within 25 meters from any source of water supply. Disposal of septic tank influent. Subsurface soil, absorption fill with applicable, treated with some type of purification device. Maintenance of septic tank. 1. Septic tank should be cleaned before excessive sludge or scum allowed to accumulate and seriously reduce the softening efficiency. 2. Septic tank should be expected at least once a year and be cleaned when the bottom of the scum is within 3 inches of the bottom of the outlet device or the sludge and scum has reduced the liquid capacity by 50%. 3. A small residual of sludge shall be left in the tank for seeding purposes.
Thanks for listening, guys, and God bless us all.